Imagine if you could detect market movements before other traders do. This scalping method using the breakout trading strategy can make that possible. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. If you are looking for ways to improve your daily trading results, then this is the right video for you. In this video, we will explore scalping techniques using a breakout trading strategy that has been proven to consistently increase your profits. This breakout trading strategy works well on all time frames. That's why, besides being used in scalping strategies, this breakout trading strategy can also be used in day trading or swing trading. So, make sure you stay until the end of this video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. Scalping using this breakout trading strategy is quite simple and can be used for trading on all assets such as Forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, and various other assets. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. We will demonstrate this scalping strategy on gold or xauusd, so now set the pair to gold or xauusd. Then set the time frame to 15 minutes. After that, go to the Search Indicators tab. In the Search Indicators tab, type in Breakout Line. Then just select the Breakout Line by Marcovalente. Next, configure the Breakout Line indicator. Since the chart we are using is a 15-minute chart, set the close time frame to 4 hours. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the color of the breakout line to yellow. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. As the name suggests, this breakout line indicator will be used to identify breakouts in the market. If the price candlestick can break the breakout line upwards, then it is a sign of a bullish breakout. In this position, you will focus on placing buy orders. However, if the price candlestick can break the breakout line downwards, then it is a sign of a bearish breakout. In this position, your main focus is on placing sell orders. Additional information. If you want to get the best results when using this breakout line indicator, you need to adjust the indicator along with the time frame you are using. Now reopen the breakout line indicator settings. If you are using a 5-minute time frame, set the close time frame to 1 hour. If you are using a 15-minute time frame, set the close time frame to 4 hours. If you are using a 1-hour time frame, set the close time frame to 1 day. And so on. Now, let's add the second indicator that will be used as a trend guide and to confirm breakouts in the market. But before that, you should know about FastBull.com. FastBull.com is a financial website that can help you analyze the market in real time. There are several benefits we can take advantage of by using FastBull.com. Chart features with many advantages. The latest market news that can be accessed in real time. All of this can be used for free without any subscription fees. In addition, FastBull also provides a chat feature that allows you to interact with various traders from all over the world. Don't worry about language barriers, as one of the main advantages of this feature is the multi-language feature. This feature allows all languages entering the chat to be automatically translated into the language you are using. Example, if you choose to use English, all chats will be automatically translated into English. To reply to the chat you receive, you just need to reply using the language you use. If you choose to use another language, the chat will automatically change to follow the language settings you choose. There are many language options you can choose according to your preferences. In addition, you can also enlarge the chart as desired. To do this, just click the pop-up chat window. After that, you only need to adjust the chat display according to each trader's needs. You can also create your own group in the chat. To use the FastBull chat, you can use the link I have placed in the description box. Let's continue. Now, let's add the second indicator that will be used as a trend guide and to confirm breakouts in the market. Go to the Search Indicators tab and then type in RSI or Relative Strength Index. Then select the default RSI or Relative Strength Index from Tradingview. Next, configure the RSI indicator. In the Input tab, change the RSI length to 34. Then also change the MA type to EMA. For the MA length, change the number to 34. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all marks and leave only the RSI, RSI-based MA, and RSI middle band. Then set the RSI color according to your preference. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The RSI indicator will be used as a trend guide as well as a breakout filter in the market. If the RSI line cuts through or is above the middle band area and the 34 EMA, then it is a sign of a bullish trend and a bullish confirmation. In this position, your main focus is to find the best point to place buy orders. However, if the RSI line cuts through or is below the middle band area and the 34 EMA, then it is a sign of a bearish trend and a bearish confirmation. In this position, your main focus is to find the best point to place sell orders. Now let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this breakout trading strategy. How to place a buy order. If the price candlestick breaks the breakout line upwards, it is a buy entry signal. However, you must first confirm the signal. Ensure that the RSI signal line has crossed or is above the 34 EMA. Ensure that the RSI signal line is closed above the middle band. For the final confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the price candlestick breaks the breakout line downwards, it is a sell entry signal. However, you must first confirm the signal. Ensure that the RSI signal line has crossed or is below the 34 EMA. Ensure that the RSI signal line is closed below the middle band. For the final confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all for this discussion, and see you in the next video.